Alright guys, now that you have your environment set up, go ahead to this GitHub link, so my username and then ES6 course, and essentially right here, this is everything you need to get started on this course. Now these are the instructions that you need to follow, but we're going to do it together right now. So go ahead and simply download this repository. So click on this link and then say download zip, and if you have Git, you can go ahead and clone with SSH, but I'm just going to download with zip because it's easier for everyone. So I'm going to click on that, and now I'm going to unzip this to my desktop. So if I open up my desktop, you should see that I have a folder called ES6 course and then -master. You can go ahead and rename this to whatever you want. So I'm going to rename this to ES6 course and then updated. Because remember, this is the second time that I'm recording this entire course just to make sure that all of you guys are happy. So I'm going to press enter. And for this course, instead of terminal, I'm going to be using iTerm. So if I open up the link where I've got the iTerm 2, and essentially this is a terminal for Mac OS. If you are on Windows, go ahead and use the command line, which is almost the same. But because I'm on a Mac, I'm going to be using iTerm, which is my preferred terminal. And also for this course, my text editor will be Atom. So Atom is my favorite text editor. You can also use it with Sublime or Notepad++ or any text editor that you wish. But for this course, I'm going to be using Atom. Now what I want you to do is to open up command line terminal or iTerm. And what we're going to do is simply navigate into that folder. So I'm going to say cd and then tilde and then desktop and then ES6 course updated. And if you don't know how to use the terminal or command line, just let me show you how to do this in a different way. So if I close this and open up iTerm again, what you can do is simply, so if I open up the desktop, you can say cd and then simply take this folder and drag it inside of your terminal, command line, or iTerm. Just like so, enter, and then we are inside of this folder. Now remember that you did install yarn in the previous video. So now it's time to use it. Simply say yarn, just like so, and then enter. So what this is doing is simply downloading all the dependencies needed for this course. So just let it finish, just give it a second. Okay, that's done. Now there's one more command that I've created for us to use in this course, and the command is simply yarn and then run dev and then server. So you will only need to run this command once, or every time that you switch off your computer and switch it back on. Now I'm going to press enter, and you can see that Webpack Dev Server project is running at localhost port 3000. So if I scroll up right here, you can see. So now what I need to do is simply open up Chrome, and I'm going to open a new tab and say localhost and then port 3000. And you should see this page right here where we've got ES6 logo and then ES6 ECMAScript course and then the actual title. This is it for now. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through our build system. Join me there. See ya.